trimmed a little bit of my trees. Looks clear now, my apple tree. So apple branches and elderberry branch. And then I finally get to clean up this one and put the wood chips. Added some more soil from my old soil. Cleaned up my roses. And this is the new sprouts. This is really beautiful rose. I'm glad it didn't die because the old one, see, the old tree died already. And I'm glad it sprouted a new one. And then, of course, I already did wood chips on this one too. So we'll see how it is. It looks healthy naman. Lots of fruits. So we'll see during winter season. That's when they're gonna ripe. My beautiful flower. So far, they're still green and alive. It's getting bigger now. I'm gonna be transplanting that probably. And then I just need that pink bag, Kellogg's pink bag for garden bed soil. And I tried my best to start, and my back hurt already. I did pick out some of the soil over here, but I got tired already and lazy. And there's still plenty over there. I don't feel like touching anymore, but I know I'm gonna have to because I'm also gonna fix all these trees, surround it with wood chips if I can. But then I know the grass is gonna seep again because the grass, look at that, they're like snakes. They're just happy. Too much, and I hate it. My persimmon, it's actually sweet already like this, but I want to wait a little bit more. And it's so heavy that my tree is leaning. It's not even, so I have to pull it towards that way.